Today on the channel, the Luckeep X1 Pro with tan sidewall tires, 20x4 with street treads, and dual batteries. Well, let's go, e-bikers. Alright, e-bikers, this is the Luckeep X1 Pro dual battery e-bike. That's right, I've got two batteries. Got a 16 amp hour here, and there's a 12.8 hidden in here. It's a folding e-bike. It's got one of those wheels on the bottom. Only the second ever bike I've seen that have a wheel. My Blaupunkt is the other. And this comes in only silver. It goes for $13.99 on the Luckeep website. And they also make some other 20x4s, the X1, with a single battery. That's pretty cool looking as well. This e-bike is working with a 750 watt motor back here. And it's good for a 1400 watt peak. So it's pretty good power there. 30 miles an hour is supposed to be top speed, so we'll test that out in my road test, of course. They claim about 80 to 100 miles of range. They got 29 amp hours of battery. You know, that's pretty good. Yeah, I'd say close to 80, probably on the max there. So if you remember my Expedition, which has 28 amp hours of battery, I think at about 84 miles. So they're in the ballpark there. I'm not sure about 100, but definitely 80 would be possible in the lowest setting. Comes with a 2 amp charger and a cadence sensor, so no torque sensor here. As far as the design goes, it's decent looking. I like the sidewalls and the brown accents they went with. You got the brown seat, you got the brown grips, you got the tan sidewalls on those street tires. Very nice combination. Big headlight up front. You got front suspension, no rear suspension. But you do have a brake light as well, and a nice big rack. You can see the second battery is angled here in the tube, and it's a pretty nice package. I did have trouble getting the fender to sit properly. It was rubbing the tire, so I took it off. It screws in right here. It's a little bit of a hassle to just screw it in properly and get the right fit. So you may just want to keep that in mind. I'm sure I could do it if I tried, but I don't feel like sitting there for half an hour trying to get a fender to not rub. But when it comes to the tire, we have these nice, again, sidewalls, street tires. These are Chow Yangs, very nice. 180 millimeter rotors. And we have Logan hydraulic disc brakes, along with a front suspension here. I think it's probably like 60 millimeters of travel around there roughly, and pretty nice combination overall on the X1 Pro. Here's a look at those tires. Nice diamond tread pattern there. Here's your light. Very big light. Should be pretty bright at night. I'll try and get you a night shot. Sizing wise, you're looking at a 70-pound e-bike, guys. Payload is 440, and it's made out of one-piece magnesium integrated in the frame there. So looks to be pretty solid as far as just beefiness and then rigidity. Alright, let's fold the bike. First we're going to put the handlebars down. Okay, I'm going to grab the latch here, press the button, open it up, fold the bike in half. Don't forget to do your pedals and also the kickstand. And now you can actually roll it on that wheel down there. Here, look at your cockpit. You got these faux leather grips here. You got a twist throttle, typical shifter. You got her Logan hydraulic brake handles, mineral oil, and your display pad here, plus and minus, power button, and your display. Alright, let's go hop on the Luckeep X1 Pro and do a road test here. Late afternoon. Got my regular work done. Now it's time to play. So he's got pretty good power overall. It says 30 miles an hour, so we'll test that. This comes with a Zoom suspension seat post as well. It's your pretty basic suspension, but hey, I'll take it. Very short handlebar system here, very T-shaped. So these grips are a little bit loose, but they look nice. The PS2 here, we're doing like 18. Not bad. I do love 20x4 e-bikes. I just think they're the perfect fit for like 90% of the people. 26x4s are great too, but I think just fit-wise, fitting into your overall daily life, 20x4 is a good choice. St. Corner's pretty good. Only in 2, doing 22. Forgot my phone mount, so trust the speedometer. At least the brakes are. Wow, those brakes are awesome. Zero squeaks, and they grip really well. All right. We're doing PS1 here. Let's go. It's got 7 gears, by the way. There's your pretty decent display. The light's on, so it's a little bit dimmed. And then your control pad here, plus and minus, power button. Oh, we're doing 15 in PS1. That's weird. PS2. We're up to 18. PS3. I'm gonna crack 20 here. There's 20.7. PS4. Gotta turn the corner here. PS4. Here we go. '23, 24. Let's do PS5. Trying to get top speed. 27, 28, 29. Oh, come on, 30. 29.9 as we go up a hill. Yeah, this bike's pretty fast. We'll do a second top speed run on the other way. Should be able to crack 30 there. Bike has good balance with no hands. Top speed run here. We'll call it out 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 31 again. There's 32. Maintaining speed there. Nice. Now, if the Angway Engine Pro 2.0 did that, I would have loved that e-bike. This is properly spec'd for, 30 mile an hour speed. Not bad. All right, hill test time. Start out the hill with throttle only. All good e-bikes will gain speed here, and we are doing just that. 10. Oh, it's below 9 there. Back to 10. Here we go, picking up again. The house is coming along. 12, 13. Cruising right around 13. 14. 14.7, 14.9, 15. All right, I hit 15. All right, I'm gonna start pedaling up here. And then PS5, sorry. The throttle's not limited, by the way. I think it's full throttle at any PS level. All right, we're doing 11.3, 10.7, 10.4. And try and keep it above 10. I think we're gonna do that. Yeah. Now we hit 9.9, but I'm gonna call it 10.0. So good result here from the Luckeep X1 Pro. Comes our downhill coast. Just gonna coast downhill here. See how stable the bike is at high speeds on a windy day. We're at 24, 25, coming around the corner. Gotta tap those brakes a little bit, otherwise I'd go out of control over here. We're at 29, 31, 32. 33, 34, 35. Wow. 35.6. Get those brakes. Oh my God, those brakes are one of the best out of the box brakes experiences I've seen so far on the e-bike. So nice job, Luckeep. This bike's got full throttle, so I'm at 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nice, full throttle. Gotta love it. All right, here's your Luckeep X1 Pro. So, what do I like about it? Well, I like the power. I like the looks overall. The frame's a little funky, but it's different. I'll give it that. It's got that rollerblade in the bottom. Only 2 e-bikes I've ever seen in my life have that. Just helps to keep the bike, roll the bike around when it's folded up. Excellent job with the tire selection and the grips and stuff and the seats. With the tan accents there. Dual batteries, gotta love it. 29 amp hours of batteries. That's a long range e-bike, guys, for sure. You got a nice big rack back here. You got a brake light. You got a functional headlight up here. You can see that. Nice and bright. There are some mounts. There's one mount here for, it looks like a basket or something. But nice clean cable management. Here's your Logan hydraulic brakes. Let's take a look at the display. Let me turn the light off so that comes in a little bit better. Here's the display. And pedal assist levels here. Battery up here. No percentage or anything or voltage. Oh, there's settings. Okay, so lots of settings in here. Brightness, units. Auto off, wheel size, all kind of stuff. That's about all the buttons on here. So trip, time, trip, odometer. There you go. It's all on one page there. So decent display there, color display from Luckeep. Dislikes the rear fender problem. You know, it was rubbing on there. I tried it in both positions where the piece was over here or on this side. I didn't seem to make much of a difference. But I guess I'll have to play with that. I got the front fender on, of course. The bike's 70 pounds, so it's a good weight to power ratio here, you know, with that 750 watts. The handlebars are pretty small. I mean, I'd probably change these out if this was a bike, if this was my daily driver. Maybe get some sweat backs like I had on the Electric XP. The C-post, nice touch, nice thought. But those zooms are kind of cheap. They don't really do much for you as far as any kind of suspension goes. But overall, I mean, $13.99 for a 29 amp hour bike. That can get you 80 miles. I can go 30 miles an hour. I mean, that's a pretty good value, guys. So for being an affordable brand here, Luckeep, nice job. Send me the X1, and I'd love to get that on the channel as well. That'll do it for now, guys. I'll see you next time on Crisscrossed. Thanks for watching.